This video is for those men who want to turn women on easily. Might be your crush or that girl you've been with for a very long time. Every guy who doesn't know the game thinks turning a woman on is something next to impossible. But hold on, because today in this video I'm gonna reveal 3 psychological tricks that even men without game can get any woman turned on easily. Do you want the same results without much effort? Then hang on till the very end of this video. So let's get started. Number 1, the way you smell. It has been scientifically proven that the way men smell can turn women sexually on. This might sound unreal, but it's a trusted and proven fact. However, not every man can reach that level because not every man knows how to stay hygienic all the time. It's not just by using an awesome perfume that can make you irresistible to women. It includes everything. Everything in the sense, every little thing. From your breath to your sweat. Every little thing on you counts, like putting on washed clothes regularly, chewing gum to have fresh breath throughout the day, and your grooming habits like taking shower on regular basis. When you approach women, smell is something that needs to be taken care of, and you know exactly why. Women immediately reject talking to you if you smell dirty and don't look decent enough. That is the reason why looks and staying hygienic matters a lot. Apart from this, try and test out different perfumes available in the market. Try approaching women and finally stick to one that's bringing you great results with women. Number 2, know her body. Knowing her body in the sense, not just sex. A woman is more turned on by the way you touch and make her feel. Touch is a very important part of turning women on. We as men easily get turned on when a beautiful woman touches us in any way. But it is kinda different when it comes to women. Women easily get offended when a stranger touches her. A woman takes it friendly when a friend of her touches, even though it being a man. But when it comes to turning a woman on, it is sort of necessary to build the vibe, else you ain't gonna get nothing. Vibe is the thing that builds tension. Vibe is the thing that prepares her to behave the way you want once you touch her. The next big question comes, how to build that vibe? Vibe is something so delicate for women. Women are more sensible to delicate touch. You need to be very sensitive while touching her. This is the key point to remember while turning a woman on. If you are meeting her that day, right from the beginning, you need to be confident in touching her. This is gonna be applicable throughout the day, from meeting till dropping her back home or at least leaving that venue. Gently hug her when she enters that room. Give confident eye contact while she is saying something. Just gently hold hands for a few seconds while playing any game. Just build that vibe and tension in her. If there's something on her cheeks, gently and slowly wipe it off with your thumb and not with a tissue. The point here is to make her feel your touch. Another biggest factor that is completely essential in building vibe is number 3, vocal tonality. Vocal tonality can be simply explained in terms of volume of your voice. When you come across flirting scenes in movies, what do you observe? The actors wantedly lower their voice and speed of how they usually speak with the actress. Yes, this is what turns women on. The lower pitch and pace allows her to gradually get into the moment. Adding flirty eye contact and touch can drive women crazy along with vocal tonality. So that's it for today's video, guys. With that being said, thank you for watching.